Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. And today we are going to start with the last module of this week, and the name of this module is Designing and Monitoring Display Campaigns. Before we start, let me ask you one question. Other than Google search engine, what are the other places on internet where usually you see the advertisements? Just think for a while. Yes, you have rightly thought. Other than the search engines, there are so many other platforms where you usually see the advertisements. Ads are on YouTube, ads on various blogs, ads are on various websites, ads on various mobile apps, and ads are on various social media. In broad sense, these are called display ads. There are many types of platforms that you can use to design and monitor the display ads. In Google Ads, these ads are designed using the display campaigns, which is the most popular format of campaign amongst the digital marketers. So in this module, we will focus on display campaigns and we will learn about how to design, and specifically you will learn what are display campaigns, how to make campaign level settings, how to set target audience in ad groups, and finally, how to design various display ads using image and text. So, let us design a beautiful display campaign using the Google Ads. We are back to Google dashboard, and here you can see now we have so many other options available with respect to the campaign that we have designed in our previous module. I will talk about these options at an appropriate time. To design a display campaign, just go to Campaign. This is our previous campaign. I have just paused it because of certain reasons. Click on plus sign. New campaign. Here once again, we have a list of various goals and we have to select one goal. Let me select website traffic. This goal has simple meaning that I want to bring the traffic to my website by showing various types of display ads. Once I clicked on website traffic as a goal, you can see multiple campaigns are available here to select for. As we have to design the display campaign, just select the display campaign. Next we have two options. The first one is standard display campaign and the second one is Gmail campaign. I will talk about Gmail campaign soon, but first let us talk about the standard display campaigns. As we are bringing traffic to the website, so it is must to give the name of your website here. Give the name of your website and continue. We are designing display campaigns and our goal is the website traffic. Give any name to the campaign like MBA admission display. I have already discussed about the location settings. Again here we have the same set of settings. If you want, you can change the location settings from advanced settings, but let it be India only. These options have the same meaning that was in the search campaign. Let it be default. Next we have the language. Let it be English. If you want to add any new language, then you can add by searching that language. Next, this is very important, where we have to select the bidding strategy. Here as per our campaign goals, we have two types of strategies. In the first strategy, our focus may be on high quality traffic. That means this is the traffic that is likely to lead to the action on your website, app or store after clicking your ads. Here, we will set the manual bid in the next phase. As far as payment is concerned, we will pay for clicks. That means cost per click strategy will be used. The second option is you may focus on impressions. Impression simply means how many times your ad is appearing, and you will be charged on the basis of the impressions, not on the basis of clicks. But in the present campaign, we will begin with high quality traffic as our focus. Next, set the budget, say 1000 rupees. Next, we have delivery method, standard and accelerated. Can you think about what is the difference in standard and accelerated? Just think for a while. Yes, you have rightly thought. In case of accelerated delivery method, our budget will be exhausted very fast and you may end up with your budget in the beginning of the month only. Google will try to show your ads to as many people as it can show in a single day. However, in case of standard delivery method, it's evenly spread across all the days of the month. So we will keep it as a standard. Here, you can see on the right hand side, Google shows the estimate about how your campaign will perform on various metrics like number of clicks, average CPC, impressions, CTR, that is click-through rate. I will talk about these metrics too in detail. Now let us have a look at additional settings of the campaign. First, we have the ad rotation. It simply means when you have more than one ad in an ad group, Google will automatically select your best ad for displaying on the basis of the performance. If any ad is getting high clicks, then Google prefer to show that ad. It is that simple. So let it be default. I prefer the best performing ads. Next is the ad schedule. It's very simple to schedule your ad for any day or days. You can show your ads on all the days as well. We have already done it in the previous campaign. For more detail, refer to that. We have the start and ending date. It's so simple. Start date is already there. Set the ending date if you want. This is something which is very interesting. Devices. Don't you think if you are advertising the screen guard for Redmi Note 5 and ad should be visible on Redmi Note Phone 5 only, not on all other devices? Of course, yes. Why should we show our ad on other devices when my product is not suitable for them? By default, it will be shown on all the devices. If you want to change it, just expand it. Click a specific targeting for device. First, we have the option to choose from computers, mobile phones and tablets. Just work out on which device you want to show your ad. It's very helpful if your product is device specific. For example, if you want to advertise for antivirus for computers, then it is better to show it on computers, not on mobile phones and tablets. Next, you can select from various operating systems like Windows, Android, BlackBerry, iOS. Similarly, you can select the device model. Here we have very long list of brands and device models. I want to show my ad on Xiaomi's Redmi 5A, then I can easily do it by selecting that model. Next, we have the networks. If my ad is specific to Airtel network, suppose, then I can use this option to show my ads to these users who are using the Airtel network services. It's so easy. Let it be default settings for campaign URL options, dynamic ads and conversions. Next, we have very good option for content exclusion. Here you may opt out of showing your ads on the content that doesn't fit your brand or product. There are many bases of doing it, like digital content labels. Suppose I don't want to show my ad to teens and older audience. I can easily exclude it by selecting an appropriate option. Next, we have sensitive content and content type. Suppose I don't want to show my ad in live videos on YouTube. Then you can simply select this option. In this case, you have to take the decision where you don't want to show the ads. That's all. So we have completed the first phase of our display campaign. Again, remember, all these settings that we made are applicable at the campaign level. No matters how many ad groups you design, how many ads you designed, all these settings will be applicable to all of them. So in the next phase, we will learn more about the display campaigns. Just join me in the next video.